At 2025 Auto Guangzhou, Geely introduced the V900 MPV under its Galaxy brand. The V900 MPV was an incursion of the company into the EREV segment. The shape is from the LEVC L380, but it retained its original look. Those essential parts required by the EREV system for far travel with a single charge had been added. The V900 MPV sat in the mid to large MPV class, promising a spacious interior. The seat arrangement was designed to be adjustable for various passenger capacities. A notable driving range was also made available for longer travel between charges. The interior was observed and assessed, and its suitability for family and professional transport was demonstrated at the show. Externally, the design was all about practicality with an added dose of modernity. Much cabin space has been provided to offer comfort to its passengers. The wave-patterned grille, featuring integrated headlights and air ducts on either side, differentiated the V900 from the pure electric L380. The structure has been designed in order to house the EREV powertrain. A LED daytime running light strip was fitted across the top of the front fascia, giving it a future-proof and distinguishable look. There was also a roof-mounted LiDAR unit, hinting at some high-spec advanced driver assistance systems. The V900 was observed to be similar in overall shape to that of the L380. Further, this was followed by dimensions: 5,360 millimeters in length, 1,998 millimeters in width, and 1,940 millimeters in height, while the wheelbase was 3,200 millimeters, fixing its position as a mid to large MPV. To add more visual interest, a two-tone body design was implemented while retaining the through-type taillight on the back part as used by the LEVC model, and retaining identity with the L380. Clearly, it is obvious that the design has been functionally led by what a mid to large MPV would need while delivering a premium appearance. Form and function were combined throughout the outside of the vehicle. Accordingly, the interior of the V900 was largely derived from the L380 in order to ensure familiarity across the model family. The main focus of the cabin became a dual-screen infotainment fitted to the center console, considering that navigation, media, and vehicle settings could be controlled from there. Two different seating configurations include a 3-row, 6-seat layout for maximum comfort, combined with a spacious trunk, while the 4-row, 8-seat layout accommodates larger groups. This last row folds beneath the trunk floor so that cargo space is maintained even when 6 passengers are aboard. This interior was developed in such a way that it would handle everything from passenger to cargo needs on either a long journey or professional transport. Power came courtesy of a 1.5T extended range powertrain matched to a Calbee ternary lithium battery. Combined, the EREV system allowed the V900 to reach a maximum speed of 190 kilometers per hour and offered several different options when it came to pure electric range. According to the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, the vehicle was able to travel 165 kilometers, 172 kilometers, 195 kilometers, or 202 kilometers on electricity alone, depending on configuration. This combination of range extension and flexibility of systems should, in theory, offer efficiency and usability for urban and suburban travel, enabling longer trips without the need for frequent charging. This design reflected the combination of functionality and advanced technology in the exterior approach. The inbuilt split headlamps and wavy pattern grille in the design were meant for airflow management and housing EREV components. A LiDAR unit atop the roof hinted at the inclusion of modern driver assistance features, befitting the latest developments in automotive technology. Two-tone paint options and geometric lines added some visual interest without giving up on practicality altogether. With due care, The user experience was considered from both technological integration and interior space planning. The dual-screen system deployed ease of interface, minimal driver distraction, and connectivity. Spacious legroom and headroom were afforded by the dimensions of the vehicle, with flexible seating that allowed adaptation for passenger transport or cargo hauling. Cargo management solutions, like stowable rear seats, showed attention to practicality and usability. This EREV system was developed with performance and efficiency in mind. The 1.5T engine was installed with a battery pack to achieve smooth and comfortable driving dynamics. Extended range driving capabilities allowed for longer journeys without frequent charging stops, thus benefiting mid to large MPV users. Multiple configurations of the range were offered based on various driving needs, from daily commutes to longer family trips. The V900 comes fitted with a roof-mounted lidar unit for safety and driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision avoidance, among others, without compromising comfort in the interior or aesthetics at the exterior. This design-function combination, together with technology, puts the V900 in an excellent position to compete effectively in the developing EREV MPV market. Developed to marry extended range technology with the practicality of a mid to large MPV, the Geely Galaxy V900 offers up flexible seating layouts and multiple electric range options to meet all kinds of user needs. Further adding to its visual elements are a wave-patterned grille, split headlights, and a continuous LED DRL strip to make up the form of this car. The roof-mounted LiDAR unit underlined that emphasis would be again made on safety and advanced driving support. The V900 represents another milestone for Geely Galaxy in mixing performance with versatility and modern technology into a vehicle appropriate for family and professional use. The V900 focuses on balance, from practicality to exterior design and extended range performance. It melds interior adaptability with EREV powertrain technology and modern exterior features to ensure the needs of families, business users, and long-distance, comfortable travel are met. Its showcase at Auto Guangzhou 2025 has underlined how Geely Galaxy has significantly strengthened its position in the rapidly evolving electric and extended range vehicle market.